Welcome everybody. In the previous videos we learned to create paragraph and headers. But before we dive any deeper in HTML, we have to understand the structure of an HTML document. Let's open a new file in our text editor. Before web developers create HTML elements to be shown in web pages, they declare the document type, or for short doctype. This is always written on the first line, like this. This will give the browser instructions about the HTML version that this page has been written in. Okay, now we have declared the doctype. We can declare an opening and closing HTML tag. Like this. All the existing HTML tags have to be put between these two tags. The HTML element contains two child elements. The head element and body element. Like this. The head element contains all the metadata. This is data that is not shown, but contains information about the web page in the background. The body element contains all the visible elements of the web page like the paragraph and header elements. We will be mainly focusing on the body part in this course, that is where all the magic is happening, but we definitely going to need the head element too. Good, we've learned the structure of an HTML document. Have a nice day, and see you at the next video. And remember, code knows all.